Good morning students, 10th standard maths, chapter 3 is algebra. This algebra first exercise is a given for linear equation in 3 variables only given. So last year only learned the 2 variables only. Then this exercise is a linear equation in 3 variables. Exercise 3.1 is a third question. Vani, her father and her grandfather has an average age of 53. So underline Vani, her father and her grandfather of an average age of 63. 1/2 of her grandfather's age plus 1/3 of her father's age plus 1/4 of Vani's age is 65. 4 years ago, if Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani, then how old are they all now? So that only given for the question. To first of all, you to frame the 3 equations. So first equation, so Vani's age. 3 variables you mentioned. So Vani's age x, father's age y, and then grandfather age b. Is that only you mentioned the 3 variables. So write Vani's age equal to x only mentioned. The next one is a father's age equal to, you apply the variable y only. Next one is a grandfather's age. Next one is a grandfather's age equal to, you mentioned the variable is a z only. So first line you frame the first equation. Vani, her father and her grandfather of an average age of 53. So that 3 persons average age is equal to 53 only given. So 3% given means then 3 persons age divided by 3 equal to 53 only mentioned. So write the first equation. Vani's age you mentioned x, father's age y plus grandfather's age z divided by is average age means divided by 3 equal to 53. Yes friends. Then cross and divide terms automatically change into multiplication. So write the first equation. X plus y plus z equal to 53 into 3. Cross multiply the term. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. That one you have to mention the first equation. The next one is a second equation. Is a, read the second line. 1/2 of her grandfather's age. So 1/2 means you mentioned the fraction term means 1/2. Is a grandfather's age already mentioned is a z only. So 1/2 means you numerator apply the variable and divided by 2 only you mention. So 1/2 you mention z by 2. So grandfather's age means z only. So it's not mentioned the coefficient means 1/2 only. So z by 2 plus means apply the symbol is a plus symbol. The next one 1/3 of her father's age. So 1/3 means it's a 1/3. Father's age is a y only. So write y by 3. Next one is a plus. Next one is a 1/4 of Vani's age is 65. 1/4 means it's a Vani's age is x only. So x by 4 equal to, is means apply the symbol is a equal symbol equal to 65. So that are fraction term only given. You take LCM 2, 3 and 4 denominator different. Find out the LCM means is a 12 only. So LCM commonly apply for 12 only. So multiply the numerator. 2 in how many times? 6 times. Then multiply by 6 times. Then 3 in 4 times only. Then 4 table is a 3 times only. The same number multiplied by numerator. So right 6z plus 4y plus 3x equal to 65. The dividing term is automatically changed into multiplication. So arrange the term. First x, y, z. So rearrange the term. 3x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 65 into 12. You have to multiply the term. This answer is a 780. That one is a second equation. The next one 4 years ago. So 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Ago means you subtract the term. So Vani's grandfather age. So grandfather age, what is mentioned? Grandfather age equal to, what is the grandfather age you mentioned? Is it only 4 years ago means is a z minus 4, and the next one is a 1 is 4 years ago age. So 1 is age. So 1 is age you mentioned is a x only. So 4 years ago means x minus 4. X minus 4. Okay, so write the equation. 4 years ago, if 1 is grandfather, was means is a equal symbol. It's a 4 times as old as 1. So 4 times means you mention 4 times 1 is age x minus 4 equal to is a 4 years ago 1 is grandfather age. Grandfather age is a z minus 4. Okay, then multiply by both the term, multiply by 4 and remove the bracket. 4x minus 16 equal to z minus 4. Okay, so variable in left side and then constant term in right hand side. Change the term. 4x minus z equal to so minus 4. The minus 16 change into plus 16 only. So write the equation is a 4x minus z equal to 16 minus 4 is a 12 only. That one is mentioned the third equation. Okay, then see the first one equation, x plus y plus z equal to 159. See the second equation, 3x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 780. And then third equation, 4x minus z equal to 12 only. First of all, you solve the first and second equation. Okay, so third equation only x and z term only given. So first and second equation you equal to the y value and cancel by the y variable terms. So solve 1 and 2. So write the first one equation, x plus y plus z equal to 159. This one is the first equation. And then second equation, 3x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 780. This one is a second equation. Okay, first of all, third equation, x and z only given. So equal to the y value and cancel by remove by the y term. So first equation multiplied by the second equation is given for the y value is 4 and then first equation y value is 1 only. So cross multiply the term. So first equation multiply by 4 and then second equation multiply by 1. So that term multiple means that equations are equal to the y value. So multiple 4x plus 4y plus 4z equal to 159 into 4, multiple the term. So 636. And the next one, second equation is a 3x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 780. So you change the second equation fully, first to last term up to change the sign, minus this equation minus this term minus this also minus. So directly cancel by the y terms. 4x minus 3x. So right, x this one plus 4z minus 6z is a 6 only greater number. So minus 2z equal to 780 minus 636. You subtract the term. So 780 big number sign is a minus. 780 minus 636 is a minus 144. This equation mentioned the fourth equation. Okay, then again solve 3 and 4. So right, solve 3 and 4. Okay, so third equation, 4x minus z equal to 12. This one is the third equation. And then fourth equation, x minus 2z equal to minus 144. Okay, this one is a z value, you equal to the z value and remove the z term. So first equation is a 1 only. So cross multiply the term. Third equation multiply by 2. And then second equation is a 1 only. So multiply the term. 4 2s are 8x minus 2z equal to 12 2s are 24. The next one is a x minus 2z equal to minus 144. Okay, then change the sign. This one is a minus, this one plus, this one also plus. So directly cancel by the z term. So 8x minus x is a 7x equal to plus 144 plus 24. So add the term. 168. Sign is a big number, sign is a plus only. So find out the x value. X equal to 168 divided by 7. Cancel by the 7 table. It says 7 2s are 14. Balance 2 is 28 is a 4 times. So x equal to 24. The next one is substitute in third equation. Substitute this value. Substitute in third equation. So what is the third equation? 4x minus z equal to 12. We substitute the x value. 4 into 24 minus z equal to 12. So 4 into 24, multiple the term. 4 4s are 16, balance 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is a 9. 96 minus z equal to 12. Then minus z equal to 12 minus 96. So minus z equal to big number sign minus. 6 minus 2, 4, then 9 minus 1 is a 8. So both the side remove the sign. So z equal to 84. Then one more value, x find out, then y, z find out, then y value. So substitute in first equation. So what is the first equation? X plus y plus z equal to 159. X plus y plus z equal to 159. 24 plus y plus 84 equal to 159. So add the term. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10 plus y equal to 159. Therefore y equal to 159 minus 108. So y equal to 159 minus 108. So 9 minus 8 1 is a y equal to 51. So write the answer. So x means is a 1 is age. So write 1 is age equal to 24 years. And then y means is a father's age, right? Father's age equal to 51 years. Next one is a grandfather's age equal to 84 years.